Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. If you're holding some Ethereum and want to turn it into cold, hard cash, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to convert ETH to fiat on Binance in 2025. With the platform's latest updates, this process is faster and more secure than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into crypto, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance account. If you don't, head over to the Binance website or app and sign up. It's quick and essential for withdrawals. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including your ETH balance. Look for the Convert or Trade option. Binance has streamlined this for 2025 with a new intuitive interface. Select ETH as your source asset, then choose your desired fiat currency, like USD or EUR. Pro tip: check the current exchange rates and any fees involved to avoid surprises. Next, enter the amount of ETH you want to convert. Binance's AI-powered tools will give you a real-time estimate of how much fiat you'll get. Before confirming, double-check for any two-factor authentication prompts to keep your funds secure. Cyber threats are always evolving, so stay vigilant. Once you're ready, hit confirm, and the conversion will process almost instantly. After that, if you need to withdraw the fiat to your bank account, go to the fiat withdrawal section. You'll need to link your bank or use a supported payment method. Remember, withdrawal times can vary, so plan ahead. And there you have it. That's how you convert ETH to fiat on Binance in 2025. Always keep an eye on market volatility, as crypto prices can fluctuate wildly. If you follow these steps, you'll be cashing out like a pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.